1% higher. Let's wait and watch as to whether that is sustained or not. Thyrocare, Emphasis, just some of the early buzzers. 4% higher on Thyrocare, 4% higher on Emphasis. You've got some good numbers coming there. We flagged those off. IGI is up 1.5% as well. Sona BLW is up 1%. Pre-market indicative was started in the red, but well, it started in the green. When you're looking at the Nifty itself, it's 10% lower. 200-point knock odd is what we're seeing on the Nifty right now. 0.5% lower on the Nifty IT, around 0.75% lower on the Nifty Bank. I want to quickly also check the breadth. It's looking very tough from a breadth perspective. Just 5 advances to 45 declines on the Nifty. Cipla is the top gainer, 2.8% higher. HCL Tech doing okay, Tech Mahindra doing okay. I think both of those are sitting in the green. Tech Mahindra is just listening to the red in fact. Infi is the top loser. Bharti Airtel is the other one. Eternal is also down nearly 2%. VR, Bell, Interglobe. Some of your casualties off today. Tata Motors PV is the other one. That one also taking a bit of a knock, 1% plus lower in trade at the start. But of course, there's still a lot of movement happening. We wait for some of those rates to settle in. The Nifty Bank also not looking pretty. All the constituents in the red. We've got Kotak, beg your pardon, Canara Bank and PNB and IndusInd being the top 3 losers on the Nifty Bank. Kotak, in fact, 0.5% lower and is the bottommost loser on the Nifty. So one of the best performing on the Nifty Bank Index. When you're looking at stock moves, I want to also quickly point out stocks which are moving on the back of tariffs. Sona is one of them, of course, but numbers there as well. SRF has reversed some of the losses of yesterday. Pearl Global is up 1%. Avalon Tech, Gokaldas Exports doing okay. Not too much damage, but just about in the green for some of those names. Endurance is down 2%, 1.5% lower on a PDS. Suprajit Engineering also down 1.6. Trident is down 1.4. SKF is down 1.2. So broadly, that's the tilt. In terms of sectors, and I want to quickly pull out all sectors in the red. 1% lower on auto. That's been one of the outperformers last couple of days. 1% lower on realty as well. Metals down around 3/4%. PSU Banks down 2/3. And the Fin Nifty down around 0.5%. Thereabouts. The Bank Nifty also down about 0.5%. And the FMCG index also down about 0.5%.
Yeah, lots of other numbers as well. Of course, Infi, Interglobe are the rank underperformers today. I want to check in on Adani Enterprises, given that they've denied all the reports suggesting that the company is planning to launch an airline. Let's see what that stock is up to. ONGC, the OMCs, Brent above $100 per barrel, tracking the West Asia tensions, while ONGC has started off in the green. That's not quite the case with the OMCs. Swiggy, the board has now capped the foreign shareholding at 49.5%. That's the other stock which is going to be in focus. There's, of course, Sona BLW. The revenues have seen an uptick of 52%. The rest of the earnings are in line with estimates. Cyient came out with its numbers. The margins have expanded for a 4th straight quarter. IEX, wherein the EBITDA is higher by 13.5%. Good amount of margin expansion as well. Fractal came out with its numbers. Emphasis as well. They've maintained their revenue and margin guidance both for FY27, and the top line as well is above estimates. And this is the big mover this morning, 4.25% higher for Emphasis as we speak. In fact, we're going to be chatting with the management as well. And I can see a big move on Thyrocare to 7.25% of a jump up on Thyrocare, reacting to its numbers, almost notching 8% now. What is Motilal Oswal up to? The operating profits were higher by 14%. Total AUM as well saw an uptick of 31%. That stock, though, lower by about 1% as we speak right now. And then, of course, you know, OMCs, paint companies, all those are under focus. Route Mobile, that's where you're seeing disappointing earnings. The margins have come in at 7% versus 10% on a sequential basis, and the EBIT as well is lower by 23%, though the disappointment is not quite reflecting on the earnings. Weak numbers from Orient Cement, from Spandana, from Allied Blenders, and NIIT Learning as well. So these are all weak performers as we start off in trade. But yes, we have broken some key significant levels, and now we are trotting around that 23,750 thereabout mark. CG Power, Tata Elxsi, UPL, TCS and Swiggy, They are your rank underperformers in trade. But Kunal, what's it looking like? Will we recover into this weakness or will it weaken further?
I don't think so. It should weaken further.